Although the 2025 BMW XC Campervan vehicle has not been formally revealed by BMW, a number of third-party drawings and digital concepts have emerged that speculate on how BMW can get into the luxury campervan market. Consequently, the outside description that follows is predicated on how those terms are interpreted. The exterior will probably combine more rugged, adventure-ready styling with iconic BMW design features. To give it a more dominating presence, BMW's famous grille is probably going to get a bigger, bolder facelift. With a contemporary and futuristic style, the headlights will probably employ LED matrix technology, which offers the best lighting under a variety of circumstances. BMW's signature sporty and flowing body lines will probably remain, but they will be given a more functional and space-oriented feel. In comparison to conventional BMW models, the ground clearance will probably be enhanced to display off-road capabilities, or at the very least, the opportunity to explore different road conditions. BMW is known for its excellent handling, and the low front and rear overhangs will likely be preserved to the greatest extent feasible. All-terrain tires or larger alloy wheels with a robust design and thicker sidewalls may be an alternative. A strong roof rack to support extra gear like storage boxes, bikes, or kayaks. Even integrated solar panels on the roof are a feature of certain plans. For better access to the cabin area, side sliding doors could be used if the base is of N. Larger side and back windows were added to improve interior views and natural light. Most likely, the window design will complement BMW's aesthetics. The interior design is anticipated to be sleek, contemporary, and focused on quality. Akin to BMW SUV models like the X5 or X7, a sumptuous ambience will be produced by utilizing premium materials like premium leather, carbon fiber and natural wood trim, and metallic finishes. The interior will be constructed using transformable parts to enhance usefulness given the space constraints. Chairs with the ability to fold, rotate, or change into beds. Tables that fold up or are hidden for working or eating. Small kitchens, a sink with a tap, a tiny fridge, and a compact, portable, or integrated induction stove. Solutions for modular storage drawers and cabinets that optimize storage capacity without sacrificing style. Infotainment system. A drive has a large touchscreen for managing many campervan and car options. Important information about the trip and campervan state is shown on the digital instrument panel. High-end audio system for top-notch amusement. Wireless charging, internet access, and smart app integration. LED lighting system that may be adjusted to create a cozy and contemporary space. Roof with a panoramic view to offer more expansive vistas and natural sunlight.